Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand presentation in Prezi with theme alignment, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open your Prezi presentation. Log in to your Prezi account if you aren't already. Navigate to the presentation you wish to restore. Click on the Edit button to enter the editing mode.
Once in editing mode, look for the theme options on the right-hand side.
Identify the theme currently applied to your presentation. Take note of your brand colors, fonts, and styles. Choose a theme that closely aligns with your brand aesthetics. Select the desired theme by clicking on it. Observe how the theme alters your presentation layout. Adjust any elements that may not align perfectly with your brand. Customize colors to match your brand's color palette. To do this, click on any element that requires adjustment. Navigate to the color picker to select your custom colors.
Change fonts by selecting text elements and choosing from the font options.
Make sure the font style reflects your brand image. Utilize the layout feature to reposition elements for better flow. Reorganize sections to enhance clarity and engagement. Preview your presentation to see the changes in action. Make any final adjustments based on the preview. Once satisfied with the results, save your presentation. Your brand presentation in Prezi is now restored and aligned with your theme.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.